Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. As you know that yesterday we have finished this poem My Shadow, which was written by Robert Louis Stevenson, right? So today we will summarize this poem and later on we'll discuss the exercises what is given in this poem, okay? So now we should begin summarizing our poem, okay? So what you have seen yesterday, we have seen about a young child who finds pleasure in the company of his own shadow, right? He was enjoying that shadow which was goes in and out with him. He liked it very much, and he also found that whenever he goes to the bed, his shadow jumps to the bed before him. Okay, his the funniest thing also he likes that it grows just like it grows quickly than the uh, grown up of the means it quickly grow up like a proper children. Means the shadow can get taller, smaller, and sometimes invisible. However, one day when he wakes up in the morning before the sunrise, he falls. He finds that his shadow. He didn't find his shadow around him, and when he found himself alone, he assumes that the shadow must be sleeping because he doesn't understand the science behind it, whether why his shadow is not being seen by him. Okay, and also Robert Louis Stevenson narrated that the imagination of the child. We also love to play with our shadows, isn't it? So may you have finished this new words, and now we'll go through the exercises in the of this um, poem. Okay, now let's begin it. Okay, who do you think your shadow looks like? Who do you think your shadows look like? I have given these questions in your assignment too, right? So who do you think your shadow look like? So when yesterday I have told you a thing that our shadow looked like just like us. It is as our shadow means as we look, the shadow will be formed just like ours. Okay. So our shadow should looks like us only. Why do you think your shadow jumps into bed before you can? Why? When we go near to our bed, our shadow falls on the bed before can we get into the bed, because uh, um, uh, because of that direction of the light also. Okay, because we know that when where our shadow forms just opposite to the light, the way of the light from where the light is coming, it will fall just it will be formed just opposite of the direction of the light. So that's when we are falling on the bed, our light bulb or the light what is coming from our bulbs, that is in the direction it comes from the another direction, and later our shadow formed just opposite to the direction of the light. That's why our shadow falls quickly on the bed. What time of the day or do you think it is when your shadow is tallest, and why? Our shadows is the tallest in the morning. Why? Because the light because as the sun was at the means it depends on the light what is coming from where the light is coming, and later the way of the light from where the light is coming, it will decide our shadow whether it is long or short. When in the morning when the sun is getting up high in the sky, through that when the sun is on the horizon, near the horizon our shadows is like the tallest one. Okay, read the lines from the poem and answer the following. He is very, very like me, from the heels up to the head. First, who does he refer to? Who does he refers to? He refers to the boy who is in the poem. He refers to the no. He refers to the shadow. He refers to the shadow. What is following him? The child. Who does me refer to? Me refers to the speaker who is speaking in the poem. Why are he and me alike? Why the shadow of the boy and the shadow are alike? They are alike because because uh, shadow is with him, and it is its shadow. And I have told you that our shadow when our shadow is formed, it is just like ours structure. Okay, now work in pairs and discuss the following. You have to do it by yourself. Okay, and you can discuss this with your friends or your family members because you are in lockdown, and you can discuss it with your uh, brother, sister. Work in pairs and discuss the following. What would you do if a dog chases you? What you would do? If a dog chases you, then what you will do? You will run, or intelligently you will stop and try to tackle up with that. Yeah, you have forgotten your homework copy at home. Oh, now in school or anywhere you forgot to bring your that homework copy. What you will do? You are alone in a room and lights go out. When light get off, what you will do when you are alone in the room? You have to discuss it and you have to fill this exercise. Okay. Now it's fun time. Shine a torch behind your hand and see its shadow on the wall. You have to do this, okay? And you have to tell the experience what you have felt and whatever the things you have done. Move the torch a little away from your hand and see the shadow on the wall. Now you have what you have to do, the torch or the flashlight of the mobile in a dark room. When you will do this, you have to just shake that. You have to move the flashlight or the torch up and down, side and side, okay, so that you could recognize the shadow length, the shadow, how the shadow is formed, how it is growing, and which one is the tallest shadow. Okay, you have to find this. Do you find a difference in the size of the hand on the wall? Yeah, you will find that, and you have to tell me. You have to do this exercise. It means practically you have to do this. Go in a dark room, use a flashlight of a mobile or a torch, and do this experiment and share it with me also. Working together. Now you have this also. You have to work it together. Work in groups of 5. Take the help of your brother, sister. Make a large hand on a plain sheet. Mark the names of fingers, thumb, and palm on the hand. Use the hints given in the box. Okay, this you have to do the means it is interesting thing. I think, yeah, what you have to do is just you have to put a palm on a plain paper and you have to draw the line, and later you have to write the finger's name, okay, with including with palm, okay, and you have to take the help of this help box what is given in the pink color, okay, take the help of that, and you have to write the names of the fingers. Now the second activity, do the actions as given below and observe which part of finger of your hand is being used. Okay, now you have to first what you have to do, you have to write the names on that plain sheet where you have drawn the hand figure, and later on what you have to do, you have to do this action, okay, and you have to feel that which fingers works properly and works quickly at the moment. Okay, what you have to do, first point at a door. You have to point out a thing, point towards a door. Second thing, you have to bounce a ball. Third, you have to scratch your chin. You know, chin, it is below the lips. Twist your ear. You have to twist your ears, comb your hair, draw with a pencil, touch a flower. You have to just recognize and you have to share this, what which fingers do work properly and quickly. Okay, now let's write fill in the blanks using one of the words given in the brackets. I have given this in assignment 2, right? Where is the child dash parents have come to school? Where is the child parents have come to school? The answer will be whose. Answer will be whose. Second, I saw many house dash were quite spacious. Which, whose, who? What do you think? What can be the answer? Tell me. I'll tell you. Just think. The answer will be which. Okay. Mathematics dash is my favorite subject. Is so interesting. What do you think the answer will be? Yeah. Take your time and please answer it. What do you think? The answer will be which is my favorite subject. The poem dash you read out is so lovely. Answer will be whose, which, that. The poem that you read out is so lovely. I know the street dash he lives on. Answer will be that. Okay. I like reading books dash have pictures in it. Which have some pictures. I like reading books that have pictures in it. Okay. The old lady dash I met in your house is my neighbor. The old lady that dash I met, the answer will be whom. Now here, complete this description by answering the question below. What do you think is the name of the dog? Why is she called that? What color is she? Do you think she is friendly? What does she likes to eat? You have to just answer it by yourself. If you have a dog in your house, just write the name of that yours dog, and you have to write the means what she is called, why she is called that, what is the color, what means do you think she is friendly, what she likes to eat. You have to write it. Write a few lines on Mithu and his little dog named Shadow. You have to write this, means you have to write a few lines over it. You can write it by yourself or take mine help also. Okay, just you have to write about the dog and a boy or a girl, Mithu, and just you have to complete it. Say aloud, shoe, shadow, fish, bush, ship, dish, wash, shell, shade, wish, brush. You have to just repeat it. Okay. Here is a poem. Okay. When the sunrise shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. When I walk, my shadow walks. When I hop, my shadow hops. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadows stop. It is a poem which is written by Louis Binder Scott. And you have to act like this poem. What is written in what is the lines of the poem, you just have to act like that. Okay. When the sunrise shines, I can see my shadow right in front of me. Okay. And just you have to do There's all the things. When I walk my shadow, you have to walk and you have to watch your shadow too, whether it walks with you or not. When I hop, hop means you have to jump like a frog. Okay, when I hop, my shadow hops. When I jump, my shadow jumps. And when I stop, my shadow stop. Okay, so you have to just read this poem and you have to act out the poem as you read it slowly. Okay, so this is all about the poem, its exercise. So go with the poem and the exercise as well. You have to complete the poem book also. So complete it and give a photo. If you have a doubt, you can ask to me also, and memorize the poem. Okay, memorize the lines of the poem and about the writer too, poet too. Okay, so this is all about the poem. So have a nice day to all. Just go through the video because video is available with you, right? So just go with the video properly, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask to me also. Okay, so have a nice day to all.